Hello internet, welcome back and happy end of January already. So I have errands to run today, so I figured why not take the camera along with and y'all can hop in on the fun. So let's go. Stop number one, numero uno. Alright, so first store done, down, perfect. Actually got things I needed and didn't come out with anything extra. So I got a door hook. It like hangs on the back of your door. Somehow managed to lose mine when I moved down to Florida. So I don't know, need a new one of those. And I got a pretty picture frame. I have way too many pictures that I need to print off from being in Florida, and so now I need more picture frames. So actually managed to get things that I needed to get without buying extra. That's a first. So now we are off to our second store, which might just be Walmart because it's right there. So let's go. I'm looking for more frames. Even though I already bought one, I need like 2 more. Trip number 2 was also a success. It was at Walmart. What did I get? I got a shoe rack. Unfortunately did not find, I was looking for a different kind of frame, didn't find it. It's all good. We'll go back another time. Errands are done for now. There's still a few more things, but I didn't feel like dealing with it today. So I'm headed home to put everything together and organize my life away. Alright, so first things first, we are going to put this together. It shouldn't be that hard, but this is what I got. It's a 4-tier shoe rack. So we're going to take it out, put it together, and hopefully organize my life. Okay. Tip, please use rubber mallet to assemble. Well, not today. Caved. And here we have the finished shoe rack. So I do have a few more pairs that aren't here, but this is basically what it looks like. I just have like my heels, and then I wear those every day. Those are everyday like tennis shoes. Nicer shoes are gonna go over here, and then some more tennis shoes that I just don't really grab for all the time. So yeah, that helped a little bit. They were literally, I don't know if you could see, they were literally all just thrown in my closet. because I don't think I've ever had anything. So yeah. So they were all just kind of thrown in my closet because I didn't have anything or anywhere really to put them. So now I am going to tackle my clothes. Okay, so I don't know, I guess I'm just gonna like go through, and so like I actually have it so my hangers are like, some of them are this way, some of them are that way. So I have it so like if I've worn it recently, I just started redoing this when I got back from Florida. If I've worn it, it'll be like put in there normally. If I haven't worn it, then the hanger will be like backwards. You know, that makes sense? Okay. So. Okay. I know that I need to like try on again because I couldn't tell you the last time I wore this. So one, who knows if it fits, and two, I don't even know if I wear, I couldn't tell you the last time I wore just like a t-shirt. So, well, okay, this is a t-shirt, but like a plain t-shirt. So I'm gonna put this aside, we'll figure it out later. My mom to buy me this. It's literally, I mean, it was literally like $8. But I like begged my mom to buy it. It literally still has tags on it. I never wore it. Sorry, Mom. Okay, so tried on the clothes that I was debating on. No surprise to anyone, I kept all 3 of the black shirts and 2 others that I couldn't decide how I felt about them. So I figured I'd keep them in my closet and see over the next like 6 months if I ever pull them out. I did get rid of a few though. So all of the stuff I pulled out, I'm going to be selling either locally or like on one of the apps that I have. But now my closet is looking better. So, I mean, it like kind of looks the same, but like kind of looks better to me. Looks better to me. Whatever. That's what matters, right? I'm the one that has to look at it. Closet is done. Errands are done. I do have like the door hook and the photo frame that I will put up probably very soon. But other than that, that is it. So, thank you for watching me organize my life, get my life together and all that fun stuff. And I will see you next time. Bye.